Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products on the market. Today, we have the best short locks for you. The 8-Packs Short Faux Locs Crochet Hair. If you're looking for a stylish, comfortable, and easy-to-install option for faux locks, this is the one for you. Let's dive into what makes these short faux locks stand out. The 8-Packs Short Faux Locs Crochet Hair is made from 100% handmade low-temperature synthetic fiber, offering a natural, soft, and lightweight feel. The texture is incredibly close to real locks, making it perfect for anyone who wants to add a stylish yet natural look to their hair. What's more, there's no smell, ensuring a pleasant experience when you wear them. The locks come pre-looped, which means you don't have to spend extra time worrying about installation. It's as simple as using a crochet needle to install them. And with the included crochet hook and cute hair rings, everything you need is packed in one place. Plus, the breathability and lightweight design of these locks ensure that your scalp stays comfortable all day long. Each pack contains 15 strands, and with 8 packs in total, that's 120 strands of faux locks to work with. Depending on your desired fullness, 7 to 8 packs are usually enough to complete your head. At a 12-inch length, these locks strike the perfect balance, giving you a chic, short look that doesn't overwhelm your style. Whether you're dressing up for a night out or adding some flair to your everyday look, these locks will have you looking fabulous. One of the best features is the durability of these faux locks. They're designed to hold up over time and not separate easily, ensuring your look lasts longer. Whether you're new to crochet locks or a seasoned pro, these locks offer a great experience for both beginners and experts. The natural feeling of the hair makes them comfortable to wear for long periods, and the smooth texture ensures minimal tangling. In addition to their durability, these locks also have a stunning, wavy appearance that enhances their realistic look. They're a great choice for anyone wanting to achieve a beautiful, hassle-free style without spending hours at the salon. If you're ready to transform your hair, the 8-Packs Short Faux Locs Crochet Hair is a fantastic option that gives you the perfect combination of convenience, comfort, and style. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you're looking for the best short locks, this product is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest reviews.